Hello beautiful people, and once again welcome to the channel. It's been a while I uploaded a video. Okay, today we are going to draw a simple thing in AutoCAD to continue our 2D class. Now, as I always used to say, when a drawing is given to you, you look at it carefully and you study it so that you can understand it easily and know what you are doing. Now this is the figure that we are going to draw, so let's try and analyze it carefully. Now if you look at the base, we are having this height of 15 and then this horizontal line of 88. Okay, so you start by drawing the baseline and then the height over here, and then you see what you can do from there. Alright, so if you open your AutoCAD, let's assume you just open it. Now you go to the template here and you select the Acadiso DWT. Alright, so when you select that one, then you open your drawing. I've already opened my. Okay, so let's start by using the line command. So you can either type on the line command or you can click here. It's all the same. So I'll click and then click on the screen, anywhere on the screen. Now the dimension of the line is 88 mm. Remember, all the dimensions are in millimeters. So you enter 88, you press enter. Now it will be very small, so you can zoom to fit your screen. Okay, so let's continue. So we are going to draw the height. So you go to the line command, you click again and you enter 15. That is 15 mm. Okay, yeah, and then you have it. You can draw here as well if you want. 15. Alright, you can close it even because you will definitely delay the line, but you can draw it. Alright, so now we have the base. Okay, now let's look at the distance of the circle from the center of this circle to the base. We are having 80 millimeters. So to make our work very easier, we are going to use line. We will draw a line from the base here to the top. Now if you look at the distance from here, that is the end here coming to this side, it's actually 30. That is what is shown here, 30. So what I'm going to do is I'll use the line command and come down here. Now I will not click, I'll just put it at this end point and then drag like this. I won't click, I'll drag and then enter a distance of 30. That's why I will position the line 30 millimeters from this side to this side. Alright, now let's look at the height. Now the height is of 80 mm. So when the green tracking line shows up, you enter 80. Okay, so now we have the middle or the center of the circle. Is that right? And now let's look at this one also. The distance from here to the other side is 30 plus the 52. So 30 plus 52 is giving us 82. So the same thing, I'll go to the drawing, enter the line command, start from here, drag, I won't click, and then I'll enter 82. Okay, then I think I did a mistake. So line starts from here, drag 82, enter. Sorry, that's a problem. So just click on the line command, you come to the end point, you drag and then you enter 82. Okay, so now this is where the 82 is. Now let's look at the height. The height is actually 80 plus 34. So 34 plus 80 is giving us 114. So we will enter the height of 114 and then we have it. Good. So now if you want to be sure, you can just take your measurement and see the distance from here to here. You can actually see it's 52. Okay, just like it's here. Alright, so that is it. Now let's try and draw our circles. We have the inner circle with diameter. This symbol here means diameter. So the diameter of the circle is 22. So let's take the circle command to draw the inner circle. So if you want the diameter after clicking, then you can either click on diameter, or you can enter the letter D and you press enter and you type 22 to give you the diameter. Now the inner one over here also has a diameter of 30. So you select your circle, you click. Now when you click, the first thing that comes is specify radius. You also want diameter, so you can either click this one and then you enter your 30. Good. Now the outside circle of this one is having a radius of 28. So we choose the circle command, click here. Now it says specify radius, so we just enter because we need radius of 28. Good. And we have that. The second one is also having a radius of 22 here, so we choose the circle command, we enter a radius of 22. Good. Now we have it. Now if you look carefully, there is an arc here with radius of 20. So with that, the last time I showed you, you can click here and go to tan, that is tangent radius. A tangent means it's very close to, it's touching this line. Okay, so tangent radius. So you select that one, you click this circle, you click this circle, and then you need to ask you for the radius, and the radius is 20. So we just enter the 20 and our circle will be there, 20. Good. Now we have it. Alright, now let's try and draw this side. Now you can see the distance from here to this side is actually 30. Okay, that is where this thing is. So we can either trim this one or erase. So let's trim. So the shortcut for trim, you can either get it here. Where is the trim command? You can either get it here, or you use the shortcut TR for trim and you enter. So when you enter, you click here and then it will go away. Good. Now it's 30. We have the 30 here. Now remember, the radius of this circle is 10. Okay, which means from the middle here to this side is 10. That is the radius, the center of the radius. So if you want to draw the diameter, it will be 20, but right now we need the radius from the center here to this side is 10. So what we can do for it to help us is that we offset this line over here 10 to help us draw this arc over here. So you can use the offset command over here, or you can use the shortcut OF. I really like the shortcut offset, and then it says specify offset distance. So now we need the radius, which is 10. So we enter 10 and we click on this line and we send it up like this. Okay, so now when you have this, you can draw your circle. You can pick your circle and then you draw to this point. Good. So we make sure one end, the center starting from this line, and then the end touching this place. Now after you are done, there is a line touching this, tangent to this and tangent to this one. So you just go for your line command. Now for you to make the line tangent to this circle and this circle, after you click on the line command, you press on your shift and you press the shift key again, right click and you select tangent and you click. Now your line will be tangent to this circle as well. Now we have to trim, so you take the trim command and then you trim here, you trim the unwanted parts as well. So you can delete this line and this one, so we don't need it anymore. So let's delete them. Good. Now let's trim this side, TR, or you select it here, you trim. Good. You don't also need this one. Okay, now let's deal with the last part. Now with this one, you can see we have a radius of 20. There's an arc here, a bigger one and a smaller one. We have a radius of 20 and then a 60. So let's deal with the 20 radius first. Now for you to get this, There are so many ways, but I'll use a simple one. You can go to the circle and then you choose 2-point circle. Now when you choose 2-point circle, remember the radius is 20, so you start from here, this point, and you move up, or you can specify the second end circle diameter. So now the diameter of the circle is going to be 40 because radius is 20, so you can enter 40. Make sure it's straight. Enter 40. Good. So now we have, but before then, let's delete this line. Now we have the circle. We can also delete this one as well. We don't need it. Good. Now there is a bigger one here with radius 60. It is tangent to this and tangent to this. So we come to our tan radius. That is our draw panel, and then we click here and here, and the radius is 60, so you just enter 60, and then we have it done. Now let's trim the unwanted part. So TR, or you click here, trim this. We don't need this, we don't need this and this. Good. So this is how the whole thing looks like. Now if you want to make the line a little bit thicker, click on this line. If you don't have it, if you're not seeing this line width over here, you can go to the customization here, and then you look through it, you see line width, line width, line width here. My own is thick, so it will come up here. Now if you also want to make changes to the thickness of the line, after it appears here, you right click, you go to line width settings, and then you select the thickness of the line that you want. Okay, good, and then you click OK, and that is all for this video. Please, thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, I urge you to subscribe and like. If you have any question also, you leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to you. Thanks for watching. See you again.